Hey guys, so let's do a review of this gadget. I bought it in Lidl, so I thought it only have this portion, so I never knew it have 3 portions. And I so much love this gadget because if you are a mother, you will really love this gadget because it have 3 portions, so you can use it to do Wi-Fi, and you can use it to do toast bread or any toast of your choice, and you can still also use it to do a hamburger. Very beautiful gadget. So guys, let's unbox it together, and I will be showing you some the toast I made with it. So it's very easy. It's a breakfast tool that's very easy. So guys, let's unbox. Voila. So these are the 3 portions we have. Let me open it so that you see it. So this one for toast bread. So if you want to open this one, you have this one for toast bread for Wi-Fi. Okay, it's both up and down, so I will show you how to open it and replace it with the other version. While this one is for this one is for hamburger, for toast, to do a hamburger. So you can still use it step for step. So let me show you how to open it. If you maybe you have this gadget, don't know how to open it. So you just press here, press it down, look at it, press up, here go, press up and go. Let me check that. Just hit it. Let me check that. Okay, you also fix this like this. If you want to fix this one, voila. Let me show you the other side. This side, you down. You down. Okay. You just place it like this. You see it? You see it? So if you want to still remove it, so still do it like that. Remove it like this. Press this one. So the 3 portion one you want to just wait to fit. See this one. So if you are done using this one, you want to change oil. So let me show you how to fix this one first. This is it. So beautiful, guys.